Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our program. Initially, we'll be teaching you Common Yoga Protocol, and at the fag end of the session, you have a special session on Jalneti, which our sadhakas and yoga gurus will demonstrate to you. You have a look at the Jalneti, which is done by our yoga gurus, but do not practice today. Just have a look. This is being telecast to create awareness regarding the Jalneti. I request all the viewers and sadhakas, all the treatments what we are teaching you are adjuvant therapies in addition to the ICMR led treatment protocol. You have to take the treatment protocol as prescribed by ICMR for COVID-19 and all the other treatments which we are every day telecasting are the adjuvants to it. So I request all the sadhakas to follow the instructions given by our yoga gurus and learn what is Jalneti, and after that in front of an yoga guru you learn those techniques and you can start practicing at home. Now over to our yoga gurus Neelima and Girish for prayer and starting of the session. Thank you.
Pranamasana, Namaskar position, Anjali Mudra, deep breath. Sangachatvam samvadhatvam samvo manamsi janatam devabhagam yadha purve sanjanana upasate sanjanana upasate sanjanana upasate. Do the palming. Keep on your eyes. Slowly open the eyes. Please get up, stand up. Get ready for Sukshma Vyayama Micro Yoga. Shakti Vikas, neck exercise. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center. Now touch your right ear to the right shoulder without disturbing the shoulder. Center. Then left to left. Center. then right to right, center, then left to left, center, then right to right, center, left to left, center. Now slowly rotate clockwise 3 times. One, చాలా నెమ్మదిగా धीरे से घुमाना है. Two, three times. Then विपरीत करनी, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. One, two, three. Relax. Now both the hands straight, shoulder movement. Now hands movement, shoulder movement. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Sidewise. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Now shoulder rotation with comfort. फ्री करना है एकदम. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. विपरीत करनी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Hands down. Now both the hands straight. Get ready for Kati Chakrasana. Means both the meanings. One is spine and another one is the west portion. Now only shoulder rotation. Exhale right. Look back. It strengthens your spine, neck, shoulders. It prevents the cervical spondylitis. Center. Again, exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Center. Again left. Then twist your west portion. నడుమును తిప్పాలి. Right. Center. Then left. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Relax. Now get ready for knee movement. Both the hands straight. Gradually exhale down. चला नेम्मदी से नीचे. Slowly up. Once again down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Up. Relax. Now get ready for standing postures. Get ready for Tadasana. It's like a palm tree. ఒక తాటి చెట్టు లాగా చక్కగా between 2 feet, 1 feet gap, half to 1 feet gap to get balance. Both the hand sides. Inhale up, stretch it up. सारे शरीर को ऊपर की ओर तानना है. Stretch it. It strengthen the breast portion, spine, shoulders. Then slowly down, both the hand sides, palms facing downwards, down. Again, up. Repeat the Kriya second time. Your hands should not touch the head portion. They should be straight. Look straight. Select a point in front of you, that one only. Stretch the body. Slowly, both the hand sides, down. Once again, up. Interlock the hands. Urdhva Hastasana, Tadasana. Stretch the body completely up and come on toes. उंगलियों के ऊपर आना है. Then slowly heels down, hands down. Once again, repeat the Tadasana. Up. Stretch the body completely up on toes. Balance on toes. It strengthens the thighs, calf muscles, waist portion, spine, shoulders. Slowly down. Heels down, hands down. Relax. Now get ready for another beautiful asana known as the Vrikshasana. Lift your right leg up. Keep on left thigh sideways. Your right heel to the perineum, root chakra, and balance on left leg and straight. Both the hands up. Select a point in front of you and concentrate on that one only. Tadasana, and this is the Vrikshasana. The Vrikshasana, it stables the mind. It strengthens the spine, thighs, calf muscle, shoulders, and it will it will control the mind, thoughts, disturbances, stress, anxiety, depression, tension, angerness, all will control by the practice of the Vrikshasana. Hand side, slowly down, leg down, change the leg. Left leg up. Please try to touch the heel to the perineum, root chakra. Balance it. It will increase the concentration. It will make you perfect. Slowly down. Relax. Now get ready for another beautiful asana called the Padahastasana. Pada means feet, hasta means hands. Both the hands up. Now, initially, we will do the preparatory posture for the Padahastasana. Gradually breathe out and pause. Having back pain, vertigo problem, cardiac problem, please avoid the Padahastasana. Catch the toes, normal breath. Once again, inhale up. Repeat it. Now we will do the Padahastasana. Come on the Padahastasana, both the hands up to the wrist portion, bend forward. Gradually, remember that those who are having back pain, cardiac problem, hypertension, vertigo, please avoid and rest your both the palms beside of the feet completely and without bending the knees. Touch your head to the knees. Pada Hasta Asana. It strengthens the thighs, calf muscles, and spine. Gradually up. Pada Hasta Asana. Relax. In Padahastasana, total forward bend, a little bit strain in back, neck, that to compensate that The beautiful asana, compensation asana, Pradhasthasana is Ardha Chakrasana or Ardha Chandrasana. Keep both the palms on west portion and between your west portion and the hip region and slightly bend backward. పాదహస్తాసనంలో మనం పూర్తిగా ముందుకు వంగాము కాబట్టి మెడ భాగంలో వీపు భాగంలో కొంచెం ఏదైనా అన్ఈజీగా ఉంటే కూడా దీనికి కంపెన్సేటివ్ ఆసన ఇది వేయడం ద్వారా అర్ధ చంద్రాసనం వేయడం ద్వారా ఆ దాన్ని మనము సరి చేసుకునే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. దెన్ రిలాక్స్ वंस अगेन बैक पादहस्तासन में हमने आगे झुका है पूरा. इससे हमारे गर्दन में पीठ में कहीं कुछ लचक या कहीं कुछ दर्द भी कभी कभी महसूस होता है, वह न हो और एकदम फ्री रहे, इसलिए अर्ध चक्रासन अर्ध चंद्रासन करते हैं. याद है वर्टिगो प्रॉब्लम वाले ये नहीं करना है. रिलैक्स. Now get ready for another beautiful asana that is known as the Konasana, Trikona, Tribujakriti. Turn your right toes pointing right side and both the hand sides and gradually bend towards the right side and look at left palm. ఎడమ చేతిని చూడండి పూర్తిగా नीचे से ऊपर तक एक ही 90 डिग्री देखना है. त्रिकोणासन इसमें आगे नहीं झुकना है, साइड में झुकना है. The excess fat which are accumulated in the waist portion and the stomach region and thigh hip region will reduce gradually. Center. Now turn your left toes pointing left side and gradually bend towards the left side and look up right side. Trikonasana. Inhale center. Then once again repeat the Trikonasana. त्रिभुजाकृतिలో ఉంటుంది. राइट टू राइट 3 कोण होते हैं, इसीलिए इसी को कहते हैं हम त्रिकोणासन. चेहरे पे प्रसन्न. सेंटर. Then turn left to left. Gradually bend. शरीर को और मन को संतुल रखना है. त्रिकोणासन. सेंटर. रिलैक्स. रिलैक्स. जस्ट डीप इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन. श्वास लेना है, छोड़ना है. Now get ready for sitting asana. Get ready for Bhadrasana. Gradually sit down. Sit in Dandasthiti initially. Now fold the legs. भद्रासना. इसके उच्चारण से ही पता चलता है भद्र, एकदम निश्चल स्थिति में. Look straight. Deep inhalation. Expansion of the chest. छाती फुलाना है. Knees towards the floor completely. स्थिर स्थिति कहते हैं हम, निश्चल स्थिति, अखंड. బాగా శ్వాసను పీల్చాలి, వదలాలి. Spine straight, neck straight, both the palms on the knees. రెండు చేతులు మోకాళ్ళ పైన పెట్టి నిటారుగా కూర్చోవాలి. దీని ద్వారా మూలాధార చక్రం యాక్టివేట్ అవుతుంది. వెన్నుపూస నొప్పి, భుజాల నొప్పి ఇవన్నీ తగ్గిపోతాయి. బట్ దోస్ హు ఆర్ సఫరింగ్ విత్ knee pains, please avoid the Vajrasana. Relax. Now get ready for Ardha Ustrasana. Ardha means half. Ustrasan में आधा. Ardha Ustrasan. Gradually lift the waist portion up. धीरे से कमर ऊपर उठाइए, दोनों हाथ कमर के ऊपर. कमर और नितंब के बीच में. Then bend back. Remember that those who are having vertigo problem, please avoid Ardha Ustrasana. Slowly down. Once again, up. It strengthens the spine. Slowly down. Now get ready for Purna Ustrasana. Up. Purna Ustrasana. Remember that those who are having hypertension and vertigo problem, please avoid the Purna Ustrasana. థైరాయిడ్ ప్రాబ్లం, ట్రాన్సిల్స్ ప్రాబ్లం, వోకల్ కార్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం, స్నోరింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఈ అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని దూరం చేస్తుంది వజ్రాసనం. కూర్చొని మనం ఇప్పుడు చేసిన ఉష్ట్రాసన. గ్రాడ్యువల్లీ స్లోలీ అప్, డౌన్. వన్స్ అగైన్ రిపీట్ ద క్రియ. అప్, కమింగ్ టు ద స్థితి. Purna Ustrasana. Cover your feet with the palms completely. Slowly up. Relax. Relax in Vajrasana. Ardha Ustrasana, Ustrasana, Vajrasana. Now slowly come into the Shashakasana. It's a rabbit posture. Shashakasana, rabbit posture. एक खरगोश के जैसा बैठे रहना है. Now both the hands up. Inhale. Then slowly exhale and rest your palms on floor. Touch the chin to the floor. But remember that those who are having severe back pain, please avoid the Shashakasana. In today's Kriya also, this will help. Inhale up after the Jalaniti. Once again, inhale, both the hands up. Slowly rest them on floor and slide. Touch the chin. Shashakasana. Slowly up. Relax. Now get ready for Uttana Mandukasana. Mandukam అంటే గొప్ప. मंडूक यानी फ्रॉग. उत्तान मंडूकासन. जब एक मेंढक ऊपर उठता है तो कैसी आकृति होती है, वैसे ఒక కప్ప పైకి లెగిసినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుందో ఆ స్థితిలో. Then both the hands up. Keep on back completely. మీ భుజాల పైన अपने कंधों के ऊपर पीछे रख दीजिए दोनों हाथ. दीर्घ श्वास लीजिए, छोड़िए. उत्तान मंडूकासना. It strengthens the waist portion, spine, neck completely. ये आपके जंघाओं को और आपके नितंब को, विसर्जक अवयवों को, गर्दन रीढ़ की हड्डी को ऊर्जा देता है. उत्तान मंडूकासन. Slowly down. Relax. Now knees together. Come to the Danda Sthiti. Get ready for the beautiful asana known as the Vakrasana. Danda Sthiti. Now fold the right leg and right hand rest on back. With left elbow, press your right knee towards the tummy and look at right side back. This is called the Vakrasana. It regulates the diabetes. It cures the diabetes. It cures this back pain, पीठ के दर्द, स्पाइनल प्रॉब्लम्स को और डायबिटीज के लिए, गैस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लम के लिए बहुत अच्छा आसन। इनहेल फ्रंट, एक्सेल बैक, శ్వాస పీలుస్తూ ముందుకి, లుక్ ఫ్రంట్, ఇన్హేల్, వదులుతూ వెనక్కి, छोड़ते हुए पीछे। మధుమేహానికి, వీపు నొప్పికి, అపాన వాయుకి, వీటన్నిటికీ చాలా మంచి ఆసనము। ఇన్హేల్ ఫ్రంట్, relax, release the left leg, release the leg, right hand also, now fold the left leg, repeat the same kriya with the another leg, another side, now press your left knee with the help of right elbow and rest your right palm on floor and look at left side back, वक्रासना। इससे हम डायबिटीज को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, बैक पेन को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं और गैस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लम, पेट के विकारों को दूर कर सकते हैं। वक्रासना, इनहेल फ्रंट, एक्सेल बैक, इनहेल फ्रंट, एक्सेल बैक, रिलैक्स, ग्लाइडिंग इन शवासना, अमृतासना। Legs together. Get ready for another beautiful asana known as the Makarasana. Raise the right hand up, turn to the right side, come into the Makarasana posture. पेट के बल पर उल्टा लेटना है, पुट्ट పైన పడుకోవాలి। Makarasana. Now legs together. Get ready for another beautiful asana to strengthen the spine, shoulders, get rid of neck and throat infections. Sarala Bhujangasana. Keep both the palms beside of face, elbows and palms on floor, head up, chest up, elbow to shoulder, it should be straight. This posture is known as the Sarala Bhujangasana. It strengthens the lower back, L4, L5 tailbone. While practicing this asana, concentrate between two eyebrows, Ajna Chakra. Then gradually down. Once again up. Slowly down. Now get ready for Bhujangasana. Both the palms beside of shoulders. Your fingertips should same equal to the shoulder level and up to the waist portion. Up. कमर तक उठाना है, कमर नहीं उठाना है। Up to the Nabhisthana. Lift it up to the Nabhisthana. It strengthens the total spine. Slowly down. Once again, up. Down. Once again, repeat. Bhujangasana. Toes together. Concentrate between two eyebrows. Ajna Chakra. It strengthens the total spine. Slowly down. Relax. Makarasana. Now get ready for another beautiful asana known as the Shalabhasana. It's like an grass worm. एक घास का कीड़ा जो होता है शलभ बोलते हैं उसे. ఒక మిడతలాగా ఉంటుంది గడ్డి పురుగులాగా. Now slowly raise the right leg up. సయాటికా ప్రాబ్లాన్ని దూరం చేస్తుంది ఇది. अर्धशलभासन सयाटिका प्रॉब्लम को दूर करता है जो एक साइड में खींचे जाता है पीठ से पैर तक ऐसे दर्द को. डाउन. देन लेफ्ट लेग వీపు నుంచి కాళ్ళ వరకు ఏదైతే వన్ సైడ్ లాగుతూ ఉంటుందో సయాటికా అని చెప్తాం మనం. ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ని దూరం చేస్తుంది. తొడల్ని పిక్కల్ని నడుము భాగాన్ని స్ట్రెంథెన్ చేస్తుంది. డౌన్. గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ Purna Shalabhasan. Remember that those who are having cardiac problem, hernia problem, hypertension, please avoid the Purna Shalabhasan. Up, slowly down. Once again, up, Purna Shalabhasan. Best asana for the sciatica problem. Down, relax. Remember that those who are suffering with cardiac problem, hypertension, hernia, and undergone any surgery, please avoid the Purna Shalabhasan. Legs together. Now get ready for lie down on your back. Get ready for the beautiful asana, Setu Bandhasana. Now fold both the legs up to the knees. Catch your ankles. Lift the waist portion up. It strengthens the spine, waist portion, thighs, calf muscles. It's a beautiful asana known as the सेतु बंदासना. एक ब्रिज की आकृति में, एक सेतु की आकृति में होता है. ये बैक पेन के लिए बहुत ही उपदायी आसन है. डाउन. Once again repeat the सेतु बंदासना. Up, slowly down. Relax. Get ready for Uttana Padasana. Uttana means raising, lifting the both the legs. दोनों पैर ऊपर उठाने का आसन. Uttana Padasana. Raise the right leg 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 30 degrees, down. Then left leg 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 30 degrees, down. Once again, repeat the right leg 30, 60, 30, down. Left leg 30, 60, 30, down. Now Purna Uttana Padasana. This is the single leg raising. Remember that those who are having back pain, hypertension, cardiac problem, please don't raise both the legs at a time by practicing single leg only. Now both the legs 30 degrees, 60 degrees. बैक पेन में यहीं तक दोनों पैर नहीं उठाना है, एक एक पैर उठाना है. 60, 30, down. This is the preparatory posture for the Ardha Halasana. Now we'll do the Ardha Halasana. Both the legs 30, 60, 90. This is the preparatory posture for the Halasana. Halasana के लिए ये preparatory posture. Then slowly 60, 30, down. Once again, both the legs 30, 60, 90, अर्ध हलासन। अगर आप अर्ध हलासन भी परफेक्ट कर सकते हैं तो बैक पेन नहीं होगा, लेकिन बैक पेन में नहीं करना है। स्लोली 60, 30 down. Now get ready for a beautiful asana, पवन मुक्तासन। पवन यानी कि हवा, मुक्त यानी कि रिलीज, अपान वायु को रिलीज करने के लिए बहुत सुंदर आसन पवन मुक्तासन। Both the legs 45 degrees up, fold them, press them, touch your forehead to the knees. Remember that those who are having vertigo problem, back pain, shoulder pain, spondylitis, they should not raise the head. Just press your thighs, then slowly head back, legs straight, down. Repeat the Purna Pavan Muktasan once again. Hold them, press them. Purna Pavan Muktasan. Wind releasing asana. This is Pavan Muktasan. Head back, legs straight, down. Relax. Relax in Shavasana. Now legs together. Get ready for the Kriyas and Pranayama. Raise your right hand up. Turn to the right side. Fold the legs up to the knees. And slowly come into the sitting posture. Get ready for Shuddhikaran Kriya. Sit in Ardha Padmasan, Padmasan, Vajrasan, Sukhasan, anyone sitting posture, and spine straight. Now get ready for Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is Shuddhikaran Kriya. Only exhalation in this. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Kapalabhati Shuddhikaran Kriya. 20 strokes. Relax. Repeat second time. Relax. Those who are senior sadhakas, they can continue. Third time. Relax. कपाल भाती शुद्धिकरण, कपाल को इसमें जो स्ट्रोक हम मारते हैं, जो दबाव से श्वास छोड़ते हुए पेट को अंदर धकेलते हैं, उसका परिणाम, उसका इफेक्ट पूर्ण कपाल को लगता है। इसलिए कपाल भाती, भाती यानी कि प्रकाश में करना है, कपाल को प्रकाश में करना है, शुद्ध करना है, निर्विचार स्थिति में रहने की क्रिया है कपाल भाती। Those who are having hypertension, cardiac problem, they can practice slowly. Now get ready for another beautiful pranayama that is known as the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Naskagra Mudra. Index finger and middle finger should be folded. Then slowly lift in, right out, right in, left out, left in, right out, right in, left out, left in, right out. 1:1 ratio initially. Those who are beginners, for them 1:1 ratio. Those who are seniors, for them 1:2 ratio. How long you will inhale, double the time you should exhale. जितनी देर श्वास लेते हैं उससे दुगना समय श्वास छोड़ने में देना है। अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, प्राणायाम, नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम, सुख प्राणायाम, slowly deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Now get ready for slowly left out. Begin with left and stop with left nostril only. Now get ready for Shitali Pranayama. It will cool the mind, body, and it reduces the mouth ulcer. Summer compulsory pranayama. Hold your tongue like a straw. Inhale. While inhaling, do the jal andar band. Hold your tongue like a straw. Inhale. నాలుకని గొట్టంలాగా ఫోల్డ్ చేసి గాలి పీల్చండి. నెమ్మదిగా ముక్కు ద్వారా వదలండి. వన్స్ అగైన్ రిపీట్. Along with jal andar band, then slowly exhale through nostril.
सर म्यूट लो
फिर
ఉంది
से एक
सर
बार
వాయిస్
करना है. जीभ को
రావట్లేదు
स्ट्रॉ के जैसे फोल्ड करना है. इनहेल. Slowly exhale through the nostril. Now next one, the beautiful pranayama. This is the preparatory pranayama for meditation. Brahmari pranayama, Shanmukhi mudra. Index finger on eyes, middle finger on nostril, ring finger down the nostril, little finger down the lips. Close the ears with thumbs.
నేను ఆప్షన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళాను కాదు ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఆడియో
Relax.
స్పీకర్ ఆన్ అయింది మళ్ళీ ఆడియో
Relax in meditation. Dhyana sthiti. Relax in dhyana sthiti. Both the hands in chin mudra. While practicing the meditation, concentrate between two eyebrows or on breath. Or observe the heartbeats. Dhyana sthiti. You can practice chanting in this. Otherwise, just focus on your breath or between two eyebrows, Ajna Chakra. रिलैक्स, ध्यान स्थिति, रिलैक्स। ओवर टू सर।
Relax all the sadhakas. Today we are going to teach you Jalneti as our awareness program on COVID-19, its prevention, mitigation, and rehabilitation. I request all the sadhakas to see the Jalneti, how our yoga gurus are doing it, and after that you have to approach an yoga guru, and under supervision you have to learn this technique. Do not practice this technique on your own. It should be learned through proper teacher. Now I request our yoga gurus Nilima and Girish to demonstrate this Jalneti to all of you. Listen carefully to the instructions what they are giving and record them or write them in your books, or you can record in your mobiles and then have a look at it, approach a proper teacher and start practicing it. It is a very good treatment for cold because in Jalneti you will be using lukewarm water with a pinch of salt, and as you all know, salt is having antigenicidal action. So majority of colds are because of the virus. So if you do Jalneti with lukewarm water, putting little bit of salt, that's a hypertonic solution we call it. So once you start doing your nasal irrigation, so the virus which is there in the nose, or the people are having any sinusitis problem also, they can practice this. So it will be cleansed because of the salt in the water. So whatever the virus or the bacteria is there in the nasal passage will be irrigated and it will be dead because of the hypertonic solution, that is salt. So now I request our yoga gurus to start demonstrating the Jalneti for you people. Thank you very much.
This is the Jalneti part. ఇది జలనీతి చెంబు అంటాము, దీన్ని काढ़ा చెంబు అంటాము. ये लोटा जलनेती का लोटा है. दिस इज स्टील वन. यहाँ पर नासिका के अंदर ये पोर्शन को हमें रखना है. एंड यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस वन, अदरवाइज दिस इज द प्लास्टिक वन. ये दोनों में गुनगुना पानी, lukewarm water దీంట్లో వేయాలి. while practicing this one, initially before going to practice that, you sit in the खगासन posture. in this posture ऐसे बैठे रहना है. మోకాళ్ళ పైన ఇలా కూర్చోవాలి. దీంట్లో lukewarm water, గోరువెచ్చటి నీళ్లు, మనం వేళ్ళు పెడితే ఎంతవరకు ఉంటుందో అన్ని నీళ్లు మాత్రమే ఆ నీటిని పోయాలి. దీంట్లో धीरे से lukewarm water इसमें डालना है. लोटा भर, ఒక చెంబు నిండా దీంట్లో ఎంత ఉంటుందో అంత. దీంట్లో కొత్త సాధకులు, those who are practicing initial and those who are having hypertension, దే షుడ్ నాట్ యూజ్ ద సాల్ట్. ఉప్పుని యూజ్ చేయకుండా మామూలుగా గోరువెచ్చటి నీళ్ళతో ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ఒక చిటికెడు ఉప్పుని దీంట్లో వేయాలి. एक चुटकी भर नमक को इसमें डालना है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द जलनीति क्रिया. बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द क्रिया फर्स्ट वी शुड क्लेंज अवर नॉस्ट्रिल. अपने नासिका को क्लियर करना है. జలుబు ఉన్నప్పుడు, జ్వరం ఉన్నప్పుడు, అన్నీజీగా తలనొప్పి అలాంటివి ఏదైనా ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రం ఈ ఇంద్రియాలలో వేటిలో కూడా ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే మాత్రం చేయొద్దు. पंचेंद्रियों में यहाँ पर कानों में, आंखों में या नासिका में ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है, बुखार है, जुकाम है तो ये क्रिया नहीं करनी है. स्वास्थ्य वाले के क्रिया करना है. और ये कोरोना के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगदायक क्रिया है नॉस्ट्रिल स्क्रीन करने के लिए. बिफोर गोइंग टू डू द क्रिया, now with your thumb close the right nostril, only exhale. कपालभाति क्रिया, हाफ कपालभाति, सिंगल नॉस्ट्रिल कपालभाति, ताकि इसमें जो भी रुकावट है, एनी ब्लॉकेज इट विल बी दैट. Now close the left nostril. You may use the ring finger or you may use the left thumb to the close left nostril. रिलैक्स. ये क्रिया के बाद दोनों नॉस्ट्रिल शुद्ध हो गए हैं. अब हम क्रिया शुरू करते हैं. नाउ इन दिस पोजीशन जस्ट बेंड फॉरवर्ड. आपके రైట్ నాస్ట్రిల్ में ఈ ఈ ముందు భాగాన్ని ఈ నాస్ట్రిల్ ని ముక్కు లోపల పెట్టేసేయాలి. తలని కొంచెం వంచాలి. सर को थोड़ा बेंड करना है और मुंह से श्वास लेना है. नोटी द्वारा श्वास पील्చాలి. रिलैक्स. एक रुमाल रख लेना है पास में. क्लियर कर लेना है. एक लोटा पानी एक तरफ से डाल देना है. फिर से और एक लोटा पानी लेना है. इनिशियली यू प्रैक्टिस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ टीचर. योगा टीचर के साथ, योगा गुरु के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना है. फिर से एक चुटकी भर डालना है नमक. दोज हु आर हैविंग हाइपरटेंशन, जिनको बीपी है वो लोग नमक इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. और दूसरी नासिका से सेम You can practice this kriya by standing also, like this.
You can see how smoothly the water from one nose to other nose is coming out. And he is taking breathing from his mouth.
Now another nostril.
See how the water is flowing from one nose to other nose. Important thing is the breath. You have to take breathing from your mouth.
This is the Jalaneti Kriya. After the Kriya, sit in Khagasana posture. This posture, or you can bend like this little bit and close the right nostril and do the Kapalabhati. कपालभाति में जो भी अगर थोड़ा बहुत पानी नाक में रह गया वो निकल जाएगा. Now close the left nostril. We're standing, otherwise like this, sit and do the left nostril, close it. Relax. This is called the Jalaneti Kriya. It cleanses both the nostrils and it relieves the stress, anxiety, depression, tension, angerness, sinusitis problem, respiratory problems, and this is good for the children, those who are taking breath, their respiration process is going with mouth. ఎవరైతే పిల్లలు నోటి ద్వారా శ్వాసను పీలుస్తూ చేస్తూ ఉంటారో వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఈ క్రియను చేయడం ద్వారా ముక్కు ద్వారా శ్వాసను పీల్చుకునేటట్టు. जो बच्चे मुंह से श्वास लेते हैं, श्वास लेने में तकलीफ होती है, वो लोगों को ये क्रिया करवाने से वो नाक से श्वास लेना शुरू करेंगे. और जिनको सतर्क रहे, those who are suffering with hypertension, they should not use the salt, and those who are having cold, headache or any uneasiness, fever, in that position they should not perform the Jalaneti Kriya. And after the Jalaneti Kriya, just concentrate that immediately you should not sleep. Jalaneti Kriya చేయగానే పడుకోవద్దు, అలాగే కాసేపు కూర్చోవాలి, నిలబడాలి. लेटना नहीं, रेस्ट लेने का है, ऐसा लेटता हूँ ऐसा नहीं है. जलनीति के बाद ये रहना है, इमीडिएटली नहाना भी नहीं. और आहार विहार में थोड़ा बहुत इन डाइट आल्सो शुड कंट सात्विक आहार, फ्रूट डाइट और सात्विक आहार, नमक और मिर्ची कम रहना है, सात्विक आहार रहना है. ऐसा आज के दिन कम से कम एक टाइम आफ्टर द जलनीति ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लंच should be sattvic ahara or fruit diet you should take. This is the kriya Jalaneti to cleanse total our brain, mind, thoughts, these panchendriyas. Those who are deficient of hearing, for them also it is good, and for vision also it is very effective kriya Jalaneti. Thank you.
That was a very nice awareness program on Jalaneti by our yoga gurus. So you might have learned the process of Jalaneti and then the precautions to be taken after Jalaneti. And one more I would like to add is the diet. After any of the kriyas in yoga, especially Neti, Dhauti, etc., diet is very important. So first meal, whatever you take after the kriyas, it should be soft diet, like khichdi. You should not take any foods having excessive masalas, salt, and other ingredients which may irritate your body. So you have to have soft diet. That is very important. You can have fruits, or if you want to have cooked food, you can have khichdi kind of a thing. So with this, we'll end our session. Today's session awareness program and sadhana program, training session on common yoga protocol. Tomorrow again we'll join around 7 a.m. Thank you.